A Hindi poet and an English poet have never met, but they seem to be talking to each other. मैं क्या बात कर रही हूँ? I've had the good fortune to travel to so many different parts of our country and observe so many classes in schools. It's been a fascinating time, and I have learned so much myself. You know, teachers बहुत मेहनत करते हैं. They work very hard on their own subjects and they teach them with great passion. मैंने बहुत देखा है. But the thing is, the maths teacher teaches math, English teacher teaches English, science teacher teaches science, and so on. And एक दूसरे के disciplines and subjects में कोई bridges भी हैं या नहीं, they probably are not paying attention to that. They tell us to connect the dots, but learning is all about connecting ideas, aren't they? I was observing an English poetry class, and the teacher was teaching very passionately. सबको हमेशा मालूम है, Daffodils by William Wordsworth. बहुत ही, with बहुत lot of passion, it was being taught. Beautiful lesson. Just in the adjacent class, another teacher, equally beautifully, बहुत ही आत्मीयता से महादेवी वर्मा की कविता पढ़ा रहे थे. अश्रु यह पानी नहीं है, यह व्यथा चंदन नहीं है. But there was a wall between these two classes. And this connection, that the romanticism of William Wordsworth and Chayavad of Mahadevi Verma belong, the same kindred spirit, you know. Both talk about emotions and nature and inner thoughts to communicate something to the world. 1 century apart. मगर ये बात हमें कोई भी नहीं बताता, मुझे भी नहीं बताई बचपन में. Just imagine the magic which will happen if students are able to discover that ideas travel across cultures, across language, across time, you know, and those are the ideas that connect with each other. Just imagine, it won't remain a chapter in English or a chapter in Hindi, it will become a chapter in humanity, isn't it? Learning is all about making these connections. That's the kind of education I dream of. It's most powerful when students make connections. वरना हम engineering, medicine, ranking, position की दौड़ में and coaching classes to fill an entire cricket stadium, इसकी दौड़ में हम भूल रहे हैं that learning is all about making connections.